Now then, I've recently had a bit of a problem with a parcel with Hermes and had to resort to trying to find how to get on their web chat, as it were, because the phone number that they supply doesn't go anywhere. It just comes up with automated answers and it doesn't help whatsoever. So here we are on the Hermes website, and dealing with these people reminds me of a film from the 80s, and there's a quote which says, recently I had spent some time with a parrot. It's true. So anybody who recognised that quote, let's have answers in the description, please, just for the hell of it. Anyway, what we're doing now, hopefully you can see, we're going to help and guides. There we go. And then we're going down to help, which is the first one. I'm just making sure that you know what I'm clicking on. And here we go. Now then, you can go through all this lot, yeah, and it'll get you nowhere. Yeah. Contact Hermes. Okay, and here we go. La 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 la. And you can scroll all the way down, yeah, and it gives you various things, and you can go round and round and round and round, yeah, going, well, thinking about another famous quote from a book by Douglas Adams. It's about a planning application, and the quote is, "Yes, I found it in the bottom of a locked filing cabinet with a sign on the door saying beware of the leopard." So there you go. So that's that. So where do you go? Can we see this in the over there? See this little thing here? If you hover over it with the cursor, nothing happens. You think, oh, it's just an image. Forget that. So you click on it. Whoa, there we go. Okay, and there we go. So you can start, but a lot of the times you'll end up with the questions about your parcel and where it's going and all those sorts of things, and then you come to another screen and it'll just go track a parcel, and you don't realize that you can actually flip it sideways to all sorts of different screens. Okay, that's what I found, and then I found the right one in the end. And then you go, okay, what would you like to chat about? And he goes, I haven't received, my parcel is damaged. Okay, something else. I actually used this one. Yeah, but you've got those choices. Anyway, and we're not going to get lost in this minefield, so I'll leave that with you. That's just the next layer, as it were. And the other feature that when you finally get round to reporting, say, damage to a parcel, is this little cross here. Because when you think, how do I attach photos? Well, there you go. Click on that cross and it goes upload photo, and then it goes to your Explorer to find the photo. So yet another thing that when I first tried to report damage to a parcel, the first live web chat that I came across, the person asked me some photos, and I said, how do I load the photos? And he went, I can't tell you that, meaning he didn't know. So a bit weird. So there it is, that little cross there. So beware of the leopard. It's that syndrome. They don't really want to talk to you unless you force them to. Hopefully this has been of some help. I'll catch up with you soon.